Have you ever wondered how long your favorite birds might stick around? I'm talking decades, sometimes even outliving their owners. Let's dive into the incredible world of long-lived birds, and I promise a few of these will surprise you. First up, the legendary albatross. These birds aren't just experts at soaring across oceans, they're marathon lifers. In the wild, an albatross can live 40, even 50 years. And with their loyal, lifelong mates, it's no wonder they capture the hearts of bird lovers everywhere. Now, if you've ever dreamed of having a feathered friend for life, look no further than the macaw. These brilliant blue and gold beauties can live 30 to 60 years, with some reaching their 70s in safe, loving homes. They're not just beautiful, they're family-oriented, smart, and they'll remember you for decades. Let's not forget the cockatoo. These birds are the surprise champions of longevity. Imagine this. Some cockatoos have celebrated their 80th birthdays, and then some. In captivity, where food is steady and threats are few, they become true retirees. Think about it. Your cockatoo could become a family heirloom. Now, on to the majestic bald eagle. In the wild, they live around 20 to 30 years. As top predators, they rule their domain, and their loyalty to their nests is legendary. Not all eagles grow old, but the survivors are true icons of resilience. And finally, the common raven. Don't let their name fool you. They're anything but ordinary. With lifespans up to 15 years and minds that solve puzzles, these birds are living proof that intelligence pays off, sometimes for a surprisingly long time. So, next time you spot one of these feathered marvels, remember, you might just be looking at a bird that's seen more birthdays than you ever expected.